Audandred 10 0 0 30. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a classic French seafood stew called Bouillabaisse. It's a rich and flavorful dish made with various types of seafood. Audandred 30 01 d'ors. Brief overview of the recipe and ingredients. This recipe is simple but packed with delicious flavors. Let's see what we need. Presentation of ingredients. 1 minute. 01 00 01 30. List of ingredients. Show the ingredients arranged on a table. 1 large onion, chopped 2 leeks, chopped 2 tomatoes, chopped 4 cloves of garlic, minced 1 fennel bulb, sliced 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon saffron, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 bay leaf, 1.5 liters, fish stock 500 g assorted fish, for example cod, snapper, 250 g mussels, 250 g clams, 250 g shrimp, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Preparation: 10-12 minutes. 01:30. 02 d'ors. Sautéing vegetables. First, heat the olive oil in a large pot. Add the chopped onion, leeks, garlic, and fennel. Sauté until the vegetables are soft. 02 00 03 d'ors. Adding tomatoes and spices. Add the chopped tomatoes, saffron, thyme, and bay leaf. Cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes are soft. 03 00 04 d'ors. Adding fish stock. Pour in the fish stock and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. 04 00 05 d'ors. Adding seafood. Add the assorted fish pieces and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Then add the mussels, clams, and shrimp. Cook until the shells open and the shrimp turn pink. 05 00 06 30. Seasoning. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir gently to mix all the flavors. Serving and closing. 2-3 minutes. 06:30 07:30. Serving. Serve the Bouillabaisse hot, garnished with fresh parsley. It pairs wonderfully with crusty bread or a side of rice. 07:30 08 d'ors. Ending. Thank you for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments.